Hi YouTubers, how are you today? Today guys, I hope everyone is well and having an awesome 2024 because we all woke up this morning and we should be thanking God for that. All right guys, let's get into this video. I'm making a crab boil today guys. Crab, shrimp, potatoes, lobster, corn, and I've cleaned up everything. I am going to do mine a little different. I do have other videos already. My shrimp is clean. My lobster tails are clean. My crab legs are clean. I rinsed my corn. I put my red potatoes in small Yukon Golds in here. I'm going to boil those by themselves with water. And I'm going to show you how to put this corn into a seafood boil corn, where if you didn't even want the meat, just have the corn for a seafood boil. Let's do that first, get our potatoes boiling, and then we'll get to our crab legs. Let's do that. All right, guys, let's get this ready for our corn. Okay, this is gonna be our crab boiled corn. And first what you wanna do is put a stick of butter in there, and I got maybe 2 tablespoons right there on the side. And I'm gonna go in with some paprika. This is for your seafood boil now. You're gonna go in. I'm not measuring, but you want each and every ingredients that I use to go in here. I'm gonna go in with some salt and pepper. Okay, you just want a little salt, not much at all, just a little salt and a little pepper. Just a little bit, okay? Okay, so that's our salt and our pepper is in there. Okay, now I'm going in with some Tonys. Then I'm going to go in with some Obey. You need that Obey in there, guys, for that color and the seasoning. So we got some Obey in there. I'm going to just put a little of Maggi chicken bouillon cube in there. This is the powder. Okay, and after you do that, you want to go in with Slap Your Mama if you have it. And then I'm going to go in with a teaspoon of garlic. If you want onions, this is your time to add your onions. Okay, see that color? That's what you want. Now, you want your pot to cover your corn. So you're going to fill this up with water. I'm going to get some more water and I'll be right back. All right, guys. Oh, that tastes amazing. You want to taste it. You want to make sure that it's seasoned, not too salty, not under-salted. You want a nice taste on this corn. Okay? We're going to go in and put this corn in. We're going to let it cook for about 15 minutes because I'm going to make boiling bags for my friends today. I'm going to make them a seafood boil bag, and I got about 6 people to make them for. Okay? So we're going to leave this just like this. I'm going to let this cook down. And after it cooks down, I'm going to add about 1/4 of milk to this same blend. So let this go to a boil. I don't want it to spill. I should have had a bigger pot, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. I want to go in with a little bit of lemon juice, and it's real lemon juice. I do have fresh lemons for the other part of my video. I'm just going in with a little lemon juice, and I'm going to go in with that milk. Okay? So we're going to put that milk in there now. Now, that's all you need. That's about 1/4. Look at that color on there. Let it boil for that 15 minutes like I told you guys. And that's what you want to put in your crab boil, your shrimp boil. When you can get it pretty like this and creamy, you're in the money. All right, I am going to sprinkle just a little more paprika for the coloring on the top. 15 minutes and I'll be back. All right, guys, I'm back. See that corn back there? It's ready to come out. I'm getting ready to take that corn out, but I'm going to put my crab legs in the oven. And I wanted you guys to see how I do it. I'm just going to sprinkle a little garlic salt in there. And I'm going to put some butter at the end. And it's gonna melt down into there, okay? That's how it's gonna go. Now I'm gonna show you how to do this. 1 second, I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm trying to not make this video too long. I'm just gonna put a little garlic salt on the top. Put this in the oven for about 10 minutes, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I was gonna put the crab legs in there, but I'm gonna put the lobster tails in there with them on. So you just wanna take it and go straight down like that into that shell. And you just wanna take it and pull it over and pull it out. Be gentle with it because you can break it, okay? Just wanna do that. And you wanna take that out the middle. See this? You want that out. You don't want this. Take that out, okay? And I'm just gonna sit them right on top, and I'm gonna put some butter on the top of those, okay? I'll be right back. All right, guys, see I just got the butter laying up there. I'm gonna push those back and put this in the oven for about 10, 12 minutes on these lobsters and crab legs. I'll be right back. All right, guys, those are the sausages that's going into my seafood boil today. I'm gonna cut those up and fry them up a little bit, and then I'm gonna add those to my bags also, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm gonna let those cook and get some little color to them and turn them over. I'm gonna take my shrimp, guys, and I'm gonna make the sauce in about 2 minutes here. I'm just gonna put these in the oven and show y'all how to make my sauce. I have about 5 or 6 videos on 6 different ways I ever did my seafood boils. Okay, this is just a little paprika going on to the shrimp, and I'm gonna put some Old Bay, put these in the oven, let them cook, and bring them out. All right, guys, get you about another stick of butter, some more of your garlic, okay? We gotta make our sauce for our seafood boil now. And I'm gonna show you guys how to make this just as easy. You could have threw this all in the oven and been done with it, but I wanted some love on mine, so that slap your mama. We're going back in with some more of this Maggi, which is bouillon cube. Okay, I'm gonna put that in there. Some people like onion in there. You gotta go heavy with your Tonys. Okay, then we're going to take our Old Bay. And I'm gonna use a ginger ale on this, guys. You don't have to use a soda. You can use water. You can use beer. Whatever you choose to use, you can. Just taste your seasoning before you put it all over your crab legs, your potatoes, and in your bags. Okay, this is paprika. And I'm gonna rub all of this in, and then I'm gonna get my soda, pop, whatever you guys call it. And we're gonna let all of this, this is our love for our seafood boil. All right, guys, you want to taste. Oh, that's delicious. Wow. Okay, I'm not going to use the ginger ale. I'm going to use the chicken broth. And I'm going to add 2 more tablespoons of butter to this and let it come to a boil. And then we're going to start making our seafood bags. All right, guys, that's our sauce. I'm going to build 1 bag for you and let you see how I'm going to serve my people today. Some of them can't have shrimp, some of them can, and some of them cannot have this and that. I'm going to take some of my liquid and put it to the bottom of my bag. Just like that. Okay? And then what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to take 2, 4, 6, 8. That's 10 shrimp, guys, that's going in there. That's 10, okay? I'm gonna take 1 of my lobster tails and I'm gonna put it in there. I'm gonna take some crab legs, guys, and I'm gonna put them in there, okay? That's my crab legs. We're gonna go in with some potatoes. I'm gonna put about 8 potatoes in here. Look at that heart potato, guys. That's for Valentine's Day. Okay. And then we're going to take and put 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of sausage. Okay? And then we're going to put some more sauce on the top. And if they choose, once they get this home, to put it in the stove or the microwave, piece of cake, guys. That's how you can do a seafood boil. See that? And when they get it home, they can cook it. Just that simple. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and a comment. Everyone have an awesome weekend. Voila! Bye-bye.